Why would you have an external facilitator come in to run your meeting instead of doing it yourself? As a competitive strategy professional and workshop facilitator, I get asked this question a lot. So here are my top 3 reasons to bring in a skilled facilitator to your next workshop. Number 1, to allow participation for everyone. Beyond just allowing yourself the freedom to be fully present, having someone there running the meeting for you means that you're getting the opportunity to make meaningful contributions to that workshop rather than being overwhelmed with the logistics of running the meeting itself. Number 2, raising sensitive topics and resolving conflict. Having an external perspective diffuse, challenge, and even raise issues helps massively in getting the most out of your attendees and meeting the overall goals of the meeting, especially if you've got limited time. 3, supporting problem solving. Now this one's often overlooked. Having a skilled facilitator that's able to quickly pivot, respond, and provide creative ideas is especially important if you want to change your well-prepared plan live and during the meeting itself. Of course, there's 100 reasons why an external facilitator is a great investment for your next workshop. Find out more by getting in touch.